Mukhyamantri Janajati Jivika Mission (Mmjjm) is a state sector scheme of the government of Odisha launched in 2023 to promote livelihood clusters and ensure access to improved and sustainable livelihoods for tribal people in TSP blocks of Odisha. The mission aims to reach 17 lakh tribal households in phases. In the first phase, 2023-2026, 500 crores have been allocated for 3 years and 1.5 lakh tribal households. Spearheaded by the ST and SC Development, Minorities and Backward Classes Welfare Department, a state-level project management unit has been set up by the department to ensure effective implementation of the mission, where Pradhan functions as the technical support agency. The mission is implemented through the ITDAs with support from 16 partner NGOs who act as facilitators. To uphold bottom-up planning and governance, Janajati Jivika Parishads (JJPs) are formed at cluster level with 50% women's representation. The JJPs are community-based organizations constituted of 100 tribal households from one village or two adjacent villages. So far, 1,489 JJPs have been formed and fully functioning. The livelihood clusters having more than 100 tribal households and covering at least 30 to 40 acres of farmland for growing crops like vegetables, cereals, pulses, oil seeds and flowers are strategically developed. From Mmjjm, inputs like high-quality seeds, biomanures, bioplant protection materials, improved farm implements and hand-holding support are provisioned for growing crops effectively and further linking farmers to appropriate market channels to ensure the incremental income. Through this support, more than 1 lakh tribal households are benefited across clusters by cultivating crops over 80,155 acres of land over Kharif and summer seasons.
आमे दीटा ग्रुप रो माँ माने 1.5 एकर जमी रे गेंडु फूल चाष कलु मु एबे गेंडु फूल 5 क्विंटाल बिक्री करिछि आ 30,000 टंका हेछि.
To amplify the cropping intensity, enhancing productivity and sustainability, irrigation infrastructure such as diversion-based irrigation systems, deep bore wells with micro river lifts has been designed and developed. So far, around 6,622 acres of irrigated command area has been created. Additionally, for strengthening livelihoods through animal husbandry activity, 2,232 tribal households have been supported for poultry and goat rearing. For reducing forced migration and boosting local economies, promotion of tribal youth micro-entrepreneurship (TYME) initiative has been taken up under Mmjjm program. This supports the tribal youth with ₹1 lakh each to initiate a micro-enterprise of their own.
ମୁଁ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଛି ପାଇବାରୁ ମୁଁ ଦୋକାନଟି ଛୋଟ ଥିଲା ଛୋଟରୁ ମୁଁ ବଡ଼ କଲି ଦୋକାନ ହବାରୁ ଆମ ପରିବାର ଏବେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସିରେ ରହି ପାରୁଛୁ.
4,832 numbers of tribal youths were supported under the Mmjjm program. For creating a holistic impact and to achieve a scale, convergence mechanism with other government departments like agriculture and farmers empowerment, water resources and fisheries and animal resources development has been taken as a key strategy.
आमर फुलबाणी जिले में आमर गेंडु फूल बा फ्लोरिकल्चर जोटा मैरीगोल्ड प्लांटेशन ऑलमोस्ट 240 एकर एरिया रे में करिलु जे माने भलो हार्वेस्ट भी करलेनी एबे पाखापाखि हमरो एई भितरे भी 9 टन पाखापाखि हार्वेस्टिंग हेलानी एवं आहुरी भी आगु जारी रही छी तेणु ए प्रयास पे निश्चित भाव रे प्रधान टेक्निकल टीम तथा आईटीडी एमएमजेजेएम रो कन्वर्जेंस द्वारा एवं ओएलएम रो हमर भी जो फार्मर माने एनलिस्ट हेतले गोटे टीम वर्क भलिया गोटे कन्वर्जेंस एटा हेई पाले तमे आमे आशा करिबा आगामी समय में अधिक अधिक चाषी मान अंतर्भुक्त करबा एवं अधिक अधिक जगह रे आमे मैरीगोल्ड फार्मिंग टा को आहुरी ताको स्केल अप करि पारि।
Mmjjm is driving inclusive growth by empowering tribal communities with sustainable livelihoods and community-driven development across Odisha.